Hello everyone, how are you doing today? Today I want to show you how to make a double job in Unity. And I made another video about double job in Unreal. It was really easy in Unreal, but in Unity it's a little tricky, but it is also fun. So let's do this. We have our character in here that has a box collider 2D and a rigid body 2D. And we can add force to it so it can jump. So I'm going to open my script, movement script. As you can see, I am going to create, sorry, create the jump function. You can call it whatever you want. It has to be called the update function, okay? And for that to work, we have to add force to it. For that to happen, we have to use our rigid body class and rigid body 2D layer body. Okay, in here I'm going to add it. Player body, get component, rigid body 2D. And here we go. Okay, and we can use it in here, of course. I'm going to say if we get input dot get button down. You can add a key in here, or you can also use the jump that is in the properties of the project. I can show you it's in the project setting. I'm going to find the input. It's here, the jump, and it's the space button. You can also use the space button, but this is easier for my. Okay, and we need to add force to it. So our player body that contains the rigid body, it needs to add force to our character. And here I'm going to add new vector 2, 0 for the x, because we are jumping upside. And for the spinning here, maybe 5 f. And we have to add a force mod as well. Naturally, it has force and impulse. Impulse is better. You can use the impulse. And as you can see, it must work right now. Let's test it out. Yeah, it jumped. But the problem is, as you can see, sorry, let's get my, yeah, as you can see in here, my character can jump forever. So this is wrong, we have to fix that. For that, you have to detect when the character hit the ground, so it's better to use the tag. I'm going to add a tag, name it ground, copy it, and we can check the collision inter on collision inter 2D. Okay, we have to check if that game object, that compare tag is ground, the character should be ground. So I have to create a public boolean is grounded. In here is grounded should become true. And when the character is grounded, I have to make it false again. Okay, and we are going to add is grounded. We have to check if the space button has been pressed and if the is grounded is true. If it is true, so it can jump, and after it's jumped, is grounded going to be false. And when it hits the ground again, this ground is going to be true. In here, I have to add the tag ground, and we can test it out. Okay, as you can see, our is grounded is now true. When we jump, it's going to be false, and our character jump. Let's get the camera. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I hit the space button a few times, but it doesn't work. So we have to make it double jump right now. Before that, let's create a jump speed variable so we can change it in the inspector. Okay, we can go. Okay, maybe 3. Okay, it's shown one time now. We are going to make it double jump. To make it happen, I can create a variable, a counter variable, private int jump counter, give it 0, and we can say every time it's jumped, it's going to make it 1 and 2, and after 2, it's going to make the is grounded false. Okay, whenever we jump, the jump counter should be at. Well, when it's 1, it means it is 2. Means that the second jump has been hacked. Okay, I say if our jump length is equal to 2, the is grounded is going to become false, and make the jump counter 0. Okay, Let's test it out and see if it works the way that we want. One jump and second jump. So it works, and when I hit Siri, it's not going to. So as you can see, we have a double jump in Unity. It's harder than we made it in Unreal, but you can also code it on Unreal and it can be challenging as well. Okay guys, if you have any question, please ask me in the comments below and hit that subscribe button. Thank you everyone, bye bye.